Hi, hello, my dear sweet friends. Welcome back to my channel Actual English here. This is Vinay here to discuss about the topic regarding the negative adverbials, means the inversion with negative adverbials. This is the grammar topic, one among the topics of index of CTET examination in the part of English section. From that, I took this grammar topic to decode this topic. So this grammar topic which follows certain rules. But before that, we have to understand one example of inversion with negative adverbials. After that, we can decode with the instructions and the grammar rules of this topic that we have to obey to answer the questions of inversion with negative adverbials in the examination of CTET. So I will start with the example of inversion with negative adverbials. One example with the answer. After that, we can see the answer, how that commands or takes over the rules of the grammar topic. So the example can be, I have been to Egypt, or I have never been to Egypt. I have never been to Egypt. This is an example that we require to convert into inversion with negative adverbials. So that can become, once again I will say the sentence, I have never been to Egypt. I have never been to Egypt. This can become, never have I been to Egypt. Never have I been to Egypt. So the inversion of negative adverbial, this means the negative adverbial which comes in the initial part of the sentence, means that takes the part of the subject place. So never that came there, and after that have, means the structure of that inversion with negative adverbials that follows. First one, negative adverbial plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb plus rest of the sentence. Okay, I hope you understood. If you have not understood, then go back to the video, rewind the video, you will understand. So I will move further with the hope that, and here if we see and if we observe, we think that we have to add question mark in the last of the sentence of this inversion with negative adverbials answer, but we are not required to put the question mark in the last of the sentence, in the last of the answer of the sentence, because that is the rule of the grammar topic. So we have to avoid it. Okay, so these are the two rules. Then again, another one is that when we use negatives in the answer of the negative adverbial, that will be wrong. Means we should have to avoid the negatives. Okay, so never is there, rarely is there in the sentence. If that is there, that's okay. And again, we should not add any negatives to make that into negative, because the topic itself is negative adverbial. So we are not required to add any more negatives, otherwise that becomes double negative sentence. So that we have to avoid. The rules I will show in the slide that you can observe. So after that, we will move further with another sentence that is like, I hardly eat fast food. I hardly eat fast food. That becomes, hardly do I eat fast food. Where we are required, means where there is no auxiliary in the sentence or the question of inversion with negative adverbial, at that time in the place of auxiliaries we have to add do, does and did. Did in past, do, does in the present, according to the persons introduced in the question. So I hope you understood this topic, and I will stop here. And if you have not understood yet, then go back to the video, you will understand. And thanks for listening to me carefully. I will stop here. Thank you very much.